Hello and a very warm welcome. My name is Gunther Kagermann and I am the dedicated developer and proud manufacturer of many truly innovative and highly effective products for professional turners and skilled woodworkers. I have been standing at the lathe for over 35 years and about 18 years ago I started making my own products. Since I have always commuted back and forth between the lab and the workshop, these products definitely come from practical experience. So the development was from practice for practice. And in the process, products have been created that are, in some cases, truly one of a kind. In this video, I would like to introduce you to a truly unique product worldwide. In fact, this product is available in two versions. One is slightly glossy, and the other is the yellow, highly glossy version. And this highly glossy version was added at the request of customers. It took a considerable bit longer to fully develop, but it was absolutely worth every moment because this exceptional product is undeniably truly remarkable. One of the best-selling products in Germany. Not only do we have this truly exceptional product right here, but it also conveniently comes complete with a very useful dropper bottle and a set of incredibly soft and highly absorbent microfiber cloths, making it a truly comprehensive package. There are 10 large cloths included, and if you take a look at how much I actually need, this here is only half the size of one cloth, and that's all I need. So I can get very, very far with this. Originally, as the name suggests, Pen-Finish was developed for writing instruments. But it turned out, thanks to our many loyal customers who thoughtfully wrote to us, that it is also exceptionally excellent for all kinds of small, intricate parts you meticulously make or can potentially make. For example, furniture knobs, small pieces of jewelry, and so on and so forth. And what's really, really important about this product is this. It meets very, very high standards. So it's sweat resistant, scratch resistant, impact and abrasion resistant, waterproof, UV resistant, crystal clear, and above all, quick drying. So you can continue working after just a few minutes. I've carefully prepared something here for you to see. This is a completely and thoroughly sanded blank, a perfectly smooth piece, specifically for a ballpoint pen. And I am now going to meticulously finish it. And at the very end, I will proudly show you exactly what the beautifully finished ballpoint pen looks like. The pin finish is typically applied at about 400 revolutions per minute. It's very important not to use more revolutions than that. The microfiber cloth is lint-free, which is extremely important. And the dropper bottle, well, we'll see in a moment what that's for. So you drip it here. Just a small amount, and then carefully spread it out evenly and nicely. And then, especially important with wood, pull it off once along the grain. Wipe it off this way. Thanks to the rotation, you don't typically get small constricted rings where the material pulls tightly together in this particular process. They're very, very hard to see, but they would be there. Now the whole thing needs to dry for a few minutes. And then you can already assemble the writing instrument. That's basically all there is to it. You can now do 2 or 3 or even 4 coats if you like, depending on your preference. An intermediate sanding is definitely not necessary, but you can do it with very, very fine sandpaper if you want. 3000 grit, 4000 grit. This one has been sanded up to 2000. That's generally sufficient. But the more refined a writing instrument is, the finer you naturally want the surface to be. This here, The pen finish is very, very easy to apply, as you have clearly seen, and it truly gives very quick and effective results. Side here now is the finished pen. As I have already mentioned, the surface is largely and remarkably resistant to any kind of damage or harm. This particular product, the pen finish, is therefore very well established and has become extremely popular among many users. Expand your product range now with our exceptional product and become our valued partner. Here in Germany, this innovative product has been very well established for many, many years and enjoys great popularity and widespread acceptance. To support you in the best possible way, we will gladly provide you with our comprehensive product videos in your local language upon your specific request. Of course, the user manual and product labeling will be provided in the local language. We want to provide maximum benefit for you and your customers through our products. Are you a user, craftsman, or end customer, and your dealer does not yet carry our products? Then ask your dealer and point them to this video. I'm sure they will be very interested. Don't have a dealer in your area but are still interested in our products? Then please contact us and we will see what we can do for you. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to hear from you soon.